Thank you for your leadership.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And we'll see you in Luanda. You're
Yes,
coming, right?
I'm coming to Luanda.
Okay.
Warm greetings for President Putin.
Yes, thank you so much. Yeah, give him my greetings.
Okay.
Yes, I had hoped that the minister will be here, but I'm sure he's busy. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Congratulations, President Ramaphosa. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mr. President,
Ah, my sister.
handshake is not enough.
Handshake is not enough.
I feel so happy.
You want a hug?
Yeah, I want a hug because it went well.
It went very well.
In spite of, and when I said I was proud, I meant it.
Yes, thank you.
You know, we've all been, but it's so well handled. Thank God it's over. I hope you take a week off.
I will take a week. But they'll never allow me. They'll never allow me to take a week. Thank you so much.
I also want, hi, how are you?
I didn't have to comment. We celebrate together.
I also want everybody here.
No, it's good to have you here.
I'm very happy.
No, thank you so much. No relevant.
Congratulations.
Thank you, yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My sister from the ICU.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so
Take
much.
care.
Thank you. Take care.
Thank you.
Dear President,
Oh, yes.
congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now you can rest a bit.
I will-
I know how it works.
Yes, I will go and rest a bit.
Yes, but
Thank
I've
you so
been,
much.
I've been the president
thank
of the
you.
G7 last year, so I know what it means.
You know what it means. Thank you for coming.
No,
We really appreciate the fact that you could come.
I have to.
Yes.
It was important. This is the first one in Africa. You know how
Of
much I
course.
can take care of
Of
Africa.
course, thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Director of UNESCO.
Oh,
The
yes.
new African director
The
of
new
UNESCO.
African director of the
I started only 5 days ago.
Yes, 5 days ago you started.
Thank you,
Wonderful.
Mr. President, for your support, for the hospitality.
Yes.
Looking forward to work under your leadership.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll see you in a little bit.
Yeah, see you now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice to have met you as well.